Welcome again to the Selenium tutorial 2018. So we have in earlier video we saw how to do with Chrome driver. Now we're going to see how to instantiate and work with Firefox driver, Internet Explorer as well as Phantom.js. So again we'll go with tools, manage NuGet packages for solution, or you can right click here and select manage NuGet packages for solution. So what we are here looking for is we have Chrome driver for now. We going to use select iDriver. It is a stable version, that is 3.11. Install it. OK, select it. You have to see how successfully installed. Now doing same for Firefox. Stable version is 0.20. Install it. Select OK. It says successfully installed. You can also use Phantom.js. This one I prefer different one. This one is quite popular. Latest stable version is 2.1.1. Install. This might take a little more time than usuals, as it copies phantomjs.exe as well as run some commands. So I hope it gets successfully installed. As predicted, it is taking time. Let us. So now we are using Firefox and other things. So you should write openqa.selenium.ie using openqa.selenium.firefox, and the third one using openqa.selenium.phantom.js. Again we need test methods, so we are copying it for now. We'll be performing the same task, so we should rename it as there is already a method. Similarly for this one, we're going to change it IE driver, and this we're going to change it Phantom.js method. See, Phantom.js successfully installed. So now we have 4 test methods, but importantly we just copied it, so everything works for same just for this part. So we're going to use here a Firefox driver. Just write Firefox driver. There are many overloads and capabilities you can set. We'll see that later. And to use a simpler one, this is IE method, so you should use Internet Explorer driver. Here it is coming because we installed it. You will see that also in packages config. So we are going to use Phantom.js driver, and now we have 4 methods which performs. You can check it is phantom.js.exe. You can also check the config. We have IE driver, Firefox driver, Phantom.js, and their respective versions. So we're going to close it. Now all of these methods perform the same task using different browsers. So IE, you have the most compatibility issues. Many of things are not going to work. Many selectors not going to work as expected. So IE has some issues, although it is very quick. We'll see that in a moment. So if you want to build it, just build the solution. Build succeeded. Now you can run that any method individually. We are running Firefox method. Just click on this method and run test. So it will only run Firefox method. We'll see the same thing Firefox window. Okay, it opened Chrome. Let us see why. If it doesn't work, we will rename our driver to a different one. See, so we have to clean it. Now Firefox opens google.co.in. Now it will exit any moment. So our test completed. It took 23 seconds. Similarly for IE and for PhantomJS, all you can do is test and select run all test. It will run all test methods that are listed in your test classes. So first it was Chrome driver, opens, maximizes, close. Now it was Firefox. These are the most compatible web browsers. Let's see if Internet Explorer quits or not. It is a tricky one. I doubt it will, but let's just see. This is IE, this is open URL. It is also already in maximized state. It didn't get closed. Nope, it didn't work. It is still waiting to quit. For Phantom, you have to allow access. So all test cases passed, and here are the summary. All you can see the tick side sign green that says it is passed. We have compatibility issues with IE, so it doesn't quit, but you can see it takes the least amount of time. So this is all for this method. This video we're going to see in the next videos how to pick title, how to pick elements, and how to verify if our test is actually passed or not based on expected outcome and actual outcome. So make sure you subscribe. If you want to ask something, please write in comments. I'm not an expert, I'm just above a beginner user, so I will try to look into your issue and we'll resolve it. So share this video, like it, and see you guys in the next one.